Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a bill of sale. Notarizing a bill of sale is a crucial step for many significant transactions, like selling a vehicle or other valuable property. This process adds a layer of legal protection for both the buyer and the seller. It primarily serves to verify the identities of all parties signing the document. This helps ensure everyone is who they claim to be, reducing fraud risk. A properly notarized bill of sale also holds greater weight in court, should any disputes arise later. Before meeting with a notary, meticulously prepare your bill of sale. Every detail must be accurate and complete. Do not sign it yet. Make sure the document includes the full legal names and addresses for both the buyer and seller. Provide a clear, detailed description of the item being sold, including identifying numbers like a vehicle identification number. Clearly state the exact sale price in both numerals and words. Each party must bring valid, government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to the appointment. Finding a notary public is usually quite straightforward. You can typically find notaries at your local bank or credit union, and often at shipping service stores offering package drop-off. Some libraries and even real estate offices also provide this service. Remember, it is absolutely essential that all parties signing the bill of sale appear in person before the notary. Each person must present a current, unexpired government-issued photo identification, such as a state driver's license or a passport. The notary verifies everyone's identity before proceeding. When you meet with the notary, their primary role is to verify everyone's identity. They will carefully examine each person's government-issued photo identification to confirm it is valid and matches the signatory. The notary will then observe as each party signs the bill of sale. This ensures the signatures are genuine and not forged. After all signatures are in place, the notary will complete the notarization by applying their official stamp or seal and their signature. This final step legally certifies the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.